Hey YouTube! In this portion of my channel, I'll be focusing on product reviews. I'm going to share what I like, dislike, what I carry in my travel kit for weddings, photo shoots, runway shows, being on set for TV and film. I'm even going to share with you guys what I carry in my personal kit. So come along! As I promised, I'm going to share with you guys my top 2 skincare products that are in my personal kit. Number 1 is Estee Lauder Re-Nutriv, the Hydrating Creme Cleanser. One of the reasons why I absolutely love this product is not only does it hydrate your skin, it's really good for sensitive to dry skin. So you can leave it on as a mask as well. And it's great for all skin types, all ethnicities, and covers any type of skin concerns. The second product I wanted to share with you guys is Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme SPF 15 Anti-Aging Global Face Cream. One of my favorite reasons to use this product is, again, it's made for all skin types, all ethnicities, and all anti-aging concerns. Even though it has SPF 15, you can use it during the nighttime as well, so why not get bang for your buck? It's also a great product to keep in your kit because you can use it for all occasions and, again, for all people. Alright, so if you guys liked any of the products that we discussed, they're going to be available at any major department store or esteelauder.com. You can also check the links down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.